So, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I know that many of you have seen some of the envelopes and envelope liners that I make. It's really easy, it's affordable, you can make it custom. So, I wanted to show you kind of the tools that you need in order to do it yourself and to hopefully make Valentine's Day cards for your friends and family this year. So, the first thing that you're going to need, and obviously you can make your own if you want, but I prefer the envelope liner and the envelope template from Paper Source. It comes in a number of all the standard envelope sizes. So for purposes of today's DIY tutorial, I'm using A6. You can do square, you can do some of the smaller A2, whatever works for you. So the first thing that you do, it's pretty self-explanatory, is you're going to start with the envelope template, and you're going to pick out your paper. You want to make sure, obviously, that the envelope template fits the size of paper that you have. So I have kind of a holographic, fun, one of the premium papers from Paper Source. So you just unroll it. This is actually an extra. You can kind of see there's a little chunk out of it. And so you place your envelope liner on your piece of paper. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to trace. That's simple. So you just go through. Not doing a good job because I'm trying to show you guys. Voila. So there's the outline of your envelope. So then the next step is going to be to cut it out. So I will show you this, and we'll speed up the video because you don't need to watch me cut. And every time I feel it, voila, and you're done. So now, how do you put it together? Okay. So what you want to do is you want to, and obviously mine's a little crazy and rolly, you want to fold the sides. So make a crease, same thing to the other side where it naturally hits the wall, make a crease. Okay, perfect. Now you need to fold up the bottom, make your crease there. You can see the envelope is starting to form. Now the next step is securing. And so I use, you'll see, it's like a Recollections, oh wait, just kidding, Thermoweb, Tape Runner. You can get these anywhere, Michael's. This one's specifically from Paper Source. Of course, it's pink. And hopefully it's working. You just run a little bit of tape here on this side and a little bit of tape here on this side. You flip this up, you press it, and voila, you can see that it's holding in place. So the next step is the envelope liner. Same kind of concept. You're going to take the template, which looks like this, and you're going to trace it around whatever your paper is. So I already made a couple. You can see like these are some of the different sizes that you can do. These come with the various templates that are provided in the package. So once you cut it out and trace it, since I already did that, it'll look like this. So then you're going to put it in your envelopes. This is what I already made. You just slide it on in here, and it should fit perfectly, hopefully. Just did. Okay, so you can see that that looks great. So now where do you tape? So same thing. You're going to put the liner down like this, and you're going to run tape along the triangle. So it's going to look like this and that. And for extra, you know, why not? I always do this. Okay. And then all you simply do is press down, and it should stick to where you want it to. So that's how that works. And that's how you do the DIY Paper Source envelope liner and envelope template. It's so much fun because you can actually customize. You can use gift wrap. So this is like the unicorn gift wrap from Paper Source from last year, the lollipop gift wrap. I'm really excited because I do plan to use this holographic alligator as the liner for this one. The other thing that I like to do is you can use Polaroid pictures, put them on, your stationery, use pink wasabi tape. I plan to fill, obviously, mine with some of these heart sparkles. So there's so many different options, so you can be creative. The other thing, too, that I just want to mention, because it is important, is, with these types of envelopes that you're making, you typically, depending upon the material, aren't going to be able to write on the top just because there's so much going on, and a permanent marker may not adhere. So I buy these custom labels. You can get them from Michael's, you can get them from Paper Source, and you put them on the top. That way you can write the address of the recipient or even just the name, and it obviously isn't going to smear or rub off. So that's kind of how you solve that problem. And then in terms of sealing the envelope too, you would use the same thing, the tape. You'd run it along there, seal it, put a wax seal, put a sticker, and that's kind of how you close the envelope itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first DIY tutorial. I'm trying to get in the groove and doing more of these to share some of the DIYs that I do with you guys. If there's anything else you'd like to see, let me know. I'm so excited. Thanks so much.